Hi guys, welcome back to another video by Life Science Exam Notification channel. In this video, I am going to share the expected dates for release of answer key, response sheet of Csir-Net June 2022, as well as I am going to share the next exam dates. So, we know many candidates are curious about the dates of next Csir-Net exam, that is for Csir-Net December 2022. So, in my opinion, NTA and CSIR will conduct the next exam around February 2023, as they have recently conducted this June 2022 exam in September. And further steps for the next exam can be taken only after the declaration of the result of the previous one. And after the result declaration also, there is a lot of work for NTA to do before conducting the next exam. For example, they have to release your application form, and then after the release of application form, they will give you a 1 month window for filling up the application form. Then for admit card, they will take up to 1 month or 20 days. So it's going to take a lot of time, and most probably they are going to take the next December 2022 exam in the month of February. Next, if I talk about the answer key for June 2022 exam, it will be released by 25th September most probably, and response sheet will be uploaded by 27th September. Please note that these are the expected dates, only expected dates, and not the official dates. Okay. So next, if I talk about the June 2022 result, most probably it will be announced approximately by the last week of October to second week of November. These are the expected dates. So okay, if you guys think that this June 2022 exam of yours has not gone well, take a break and start working for the upcoming exam. Note down your mistake on a paper and always remind yourself not to do the same mistakes again. All the best to you all. Focus on your studies. At the end, exam will be conducted for sure. So work hard for it and please don't repeat your mistake again and again. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more helpful videos for you. And stay tuned with us. Thank you.